Hey there! So in this troubleshooting video, I'm going to show you the most likely reason that your union within Inkscape is not working. So union is the way to combine layers into a single layer. And oftentimes, let's say that we wanted to take this row of stars and combine it with the text in the other row here. Well, you would think you would just go ahead and select around them and come up to path and union. But you'll notice that it still has separate selection boxes around each one. They're not a single layer. So when they're unioned together, the selection box would just be a single one around all of it. And the most likely reason this is happening is that you have something grouped together, and that grouping is blocking the union. So the first thing you want to do, if it's ever not working, is to go ahead and fully ungroup. So you can go ahead and click this button up here several times, or the shortcut is Shift Control or Command G, but you can just hit that button a few times and you'll notice that all of those stars were actually grouped together and that was blocking it. So again, we can select around all now that it's fully ungrouped and do Path Union. And just like that, it's now a single layer. So hope that helps you with your union troubles, and make sure to subscribe for more Inkscape hacks.